60 years of us helping candidates find temporary and permanent work. 60 years of helping individuals find fulfilling work. 60 years of helping businesses build better businesses. If you look at why Blue Arrow was successful and has been for the last 60 years, it's because of how we go about doing recruitment. It's not about technology. It's about the relationships that we build day by day with our clients and our candidates.
So coming back to that word choice, you have a choice to understand your beautiful basics, to deliver them better than anybody else in the market. So let's deliver our beautiful basics better than anybody else in this marketplace. Let's do them to the best of our ability, and let's look back at our competition throughout 2019 and beyond.
By making and keeping our promises
and enhancing people's lives,
we're proud to be Blue Arrow.
I want to leave you with just 3 little phrases. Be bold when talking about what we do. Be proud of working for Blue Arrow and working in recruitment. And tell the world. Thank you for listening.